What's up guys, welcome to our channel Etechniz. In this video we will talk about how to fix the error which says we need to fix your Microsoft account in Windows 10. We will discuss the method from basic to advanced so that you can use it and fix your Microsoft account problem. Without further ado, let's talk about the method you have to use to fix your Microsoft account problem. Method 1. Login Microsoft account on browser. Here you have to log in to your Microsoft account which is associated with your Windows 10 PC. You can find that account by simply clicking on Windows icon, click on Settings, click on Accounts. As you can see the email address in here, or you can click on Email and Accounts. You'll see the email account in which you are facing the problem if you have connected your Windows 10 PC with multiple accounts. Once you're sure about the email account, open any browser you have like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge. Simply open the browser you have. On the top address bar, type outlook.com. Once you'll type the outlook.com, you'll see the screen like this. Click on Sign In. Here type the email address which is associated with your Windows 10 PC. I like to mention one more thing. If you have a different email address provider like Gmail, AOL.com, Comcast, Yahoo, then you should have to go to their website and try to log into your account using the same email account. As we have the outlook.com and it's a part of Microsoft, if you have at live.com or msn.com, all these three email addresses are associated with Microsoft. If you have different email account like Gmail, Comcast, AOL, then you should have to go to their website and try to log in to the account using the same email account. If you want to know the website information, then do let me know in the comment section. I can guide you through on which website you have to go and how you have to log in to your account. I'm suggesting you to log in to that account to make sure if your email address is working perfectly fine from their side or not. Type the password in here, click sign in. Once you click on sign in and if you'll get your email address comes up, that means your email and the password is correct. Once you're sure your email and the password is correct, then open the same page, click on Start, click on Settings, click on Accounts. Here click on Email and Accounts. You'll see the error message in here or you'll see the error message on your info. Simply click on Sign In and type the same password in here. Method 2. Reset the password. If your password is not working, if you are not able to log in to this page, that means you need to reset the password. And as I have already suggested you, if you have different email address provider, then you have to go to their email login page and try to log into your email on their website. If you have outlook.com, at live.com or msn.com, then you can simply come up here and log in to your Microsoft account. And if any of these three accounts are not working, I mean to say the password is not working when you're trying to log into your account, then you have to reset the password. Type the email address in here. Once you type the email address, click next in here. On this page, you'll get the option to click on forget your password. Click on forget your password and you can see it says we need to verify your identity. How would you like to get your security code? As I have added my phone number in my email address for security reasons, I can reset my email account anytime. If you do not have this option available, then you can try to add the email address in here and you will receive a confirmation code on that email address. It might take 24 hours or more than that as well to confirm your identity. For now, I'm clicking on I do not have any of these. Here I like to show you what are the options you will get if you do not have a phone number updated to your email account. You can see it says where should we contact you, enter your current email and the characters you see. Simply type that in. It might take 24 hours or more than that. You'll receive every information on the email address you type in here. So type the email address which you are sure about that you can see every information you'll receive from the Outlook. Method 3. Check the security of your Microsoft account. In this method, you have to check the security parameters of your account to make sure if everything is working perfectly fine. If we tell the password of our Outlook account to somebody else and that person used to log in to our email account, and they change every information from there. For that kind of things, you have to make sure you'll check every security parameters of your Microsoft account before they make any changes to your account. So log in back to your account. As you can see, I'm logging into my account. Alright, as you can see, I'm in my account. Here you have to click on the icon on the top right corner. As you can see, the name. Click on My Microsoft Account. Click on Security. Here you can see Security Basics. Sign in activity. If you want to see the activity from where your account was logged in last time and who was using your account, you'll not able to see the name in here, but you can see the location. Password security, you can change the password. Advanced security option, you can set up advanced security option. Stay secure with your Windows 10. Do not forget to set up the password security in here or the advanced security. Method 4. Remove unwanted accounts. If you have signed in to your Windows 10 PC with lot of different Microsoft accounts, then we like to suggest you to remove unwanted accounts from your Windows 10. Click on Windows PC, click on Settings, click on Accounts, click on Email and Accounts. You'll see all of the accounts listed in here. We suggest you to remove all of them from your Windows 10 PC. Method 5. Turn off sharing. If you do not have lot of PCs where you like to share your information, then I suggest you to turn off the sharing. To turn off the sharing, click on Windows icon, click on Settings, click on System. Here you'll see Shared Experiences. Click on it and turn off this option, Share Across Device. Method 6. Switch to a local account. Here you have to switch your account to the local account so that you can perform all of your work in your Windows PC. To switch your Microsoft account to a local account, click on Windows icon, click on Settings, click on Accounts. Here you'll see Sign in with a local account instead. Click on it. Here you can see the information. Are you sure you want to switch to a local account? Click Next. Type the password. Click OK. And you can see the username in here, Etechniz. If I like to set up a local account password, I can type in here the confirm password, the hint password. Click Next and click Sign Out and Finish. As you saw, after changing my account to local account, I have to sign in back to my local account. It sent me back to the main screen where I can log in to my local account. Click on Sign In. Alright, now I'm in my local account. Click on Windows icon and you can make sure you are in your local account or not. You can see the name is coming up here. Method 7. Update Windows. As we all know, most of time when we receive the Windows update, there are some glitches comes up with the Windows update. So there might be a chances you're facing the problem because of the Windows update. It has been suggested on the tech forum you should have to update your Windows. To update your Windows 10, click on Start, click on Settings, scroll it down, click on Update and Security, and click here for Update. Method 8. System Restore. Sometime when we update our Windows 10, that time we get the glitches. On those time, we can restore our PC as well to the back date. To restore our PC to the back date, type in here rstrui, click on Open. You can see the Restore System File and Setting. Click on Next and you can select the restore point from here when your PC was working perfectly fine. If you are not able to see the dates in here, then you'll get an option in here. You simply have to check that box to see all of the restore point. Select the restore point, click Next and restore your PC. Method 9. Check for corrupted files. In here you have to run two commands in the PowerShell to make sure if any of the file in your PC is corrupted or everything is working fine. Do a right click on Start, click on Windows PowerShell Admin. Here click Yes. Type the command sfc // scannow. and press enter. It's gonna take some time, so I'm not showing you how much time it's gonna take because I do not want to make a long video. That's why I'm just showing you which commands you have to use. All of the commands are mentioned in the description. After running this command, type the second command, which is chkdsk space capital C semicolon space /r. Press enter and run both of the command. Once you press enter, it asks you that it's need to restart your PC and then and only it's gonna perform. So simply click Y on your keyboard and press enter. And afterwards, restart your PC. It's gonna diagnose your PC and let you know if there is any kind of problem in your PC or not. Run both commands to check if there is any kind of problem or not. If any of the method helped you to fix a problem, do let us know in the comment section so that we can recommend our method to other users as well who can fix their problem. And do not forget to give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Click on subscribe button and select all to the bell notification. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.